Okay, here it is. Getting ready for the UFO day at Fyffe. Drake had to put another tail light in. Alan's washing up the old 70 model. Getting it shined up. Cleaned up the wheels and tires on the F100 and the Bronco. If you hadn't seen the video on the Bronco, doesn't make it to the Bronco Stampede in Pigeon Forge, go check it out. I'll leave a link below.
Obviously it don't, but we're still working on it.
Still working on it here the next week, ain't we?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to what's called UFO Day in Fyffe. If you don't know what UFO Day is, Google it. Of course, here again, me and Alan's waiting on Drake to work on his ride.
You know.
Why don't you get something dependable like nothing?
Like nothing?
Yeah, I ain't gonna say nothing until we get there and back.
Why don't y'all give me some money so I can buy something that don't have to be working?
Yeah. We're gonna finish getting them ready to head out. All right, we headed out to the car show. Drake's got a four-wheel driving. Him four-wheel driving made me miss Alan in a Mustang. Got Kenzie coming up in the rear in the car show prize car, or the prize winning show car. Man, that thing's smoking. Alrighty, here we are rolling to the car show. Alan's up front in the Mach 1, Drake's the Bronco. I'm behind him in old blue. I'm not sure if it's what kind of car show it is. I think it mainly just a bunch of people show up for people to walk around, look around at the cars. Everybody just sits around, has a good time, walks around UFO Day, sees what's going on there. I know they're supposed to have some live bands, stuff for the kids, all kind of things like that. We're gonna ride up here and check it out, and we'll show you the cars and try to show you some UFO Day. Got nothing for old blue, and old blue and the Bronco ain't got nothing for the 429. All right, we've made it. Here we are, 256 Garage at UFO Day. A few cars rolling in. Nice little F100 over there. Impala, Chevelle. We're gonna go up here and register. See if we can get her name in the pot. Maybe win us a door prize. We'll show you some of these cars as we walk up through here. Oh, there's some all the way up through here. Another good looking Chevelle. Square body. UFO. Little Nova Mustang. Pontiac over there. Alien come assist. There he is.
Are you filming?
We are filming.
We're live on YouTube.
But we ain't live, but we on YouTube.
All right.
We on YouTube Sunday.
I gotta ask you a question. How long does it take to drive from here to Summit?
Summit Racing?
Yeah.
Well, if you go in your air-conditioned car, you can probably make it three hours.
And y'all
If you go in 3 old beaters, you can probably take 11. Takes about 11 hours.
you get there when it's over. That is
But-
good. I love that. I love y'all show. I watch it. 256.
Hey, we appreciate it. Hey, but you know, Old Blue never missed a beat all the way there.
Hammer down.
Is that
what
muffler
about
work
going to
with it?
school for the first day? Did Blue make
It made it school, but he got a little smoky there at the Piggly Wiggly, and he had to turn in there.
Well, I noticed I seen it sitting there, and he was easing on that food.
Yeah.
First day of school. Yep.
We go.
Appreciate y'all coming out today.
Hey, I'm glad we made it. Drake's getting us registered there. Yeah. It only took us, let's see, how long did it take to go from Geraldine to Fyffe?
Wind on the Broncos at 4 hours.
Yeah, it did. Then Alan took that off and drove 4 hours here because we drove it to the Smoky Mountains last weekend.
Oh, yeah.
And Drake said, you should have left that on there.
Y'all going to September?
They gonna try to go into. We're gonna get registered here. Okay, we got our plaque for UFO Day. Got a number. Car and truck show. See if we can't win us a door prize.
Crystal about her, yes, she had an accident. Tried to go to the
Good thing we don't have as many tractors.
I'm telling you, look at the Mustang.
What?
That was a Mustang. Too small, they call it pony. I wonder what the big 22's got.
It's gonna be a Clydesdale, ain't it? Comes old 256 garage wagon. Dirt track car. We're gonna try to do a quick walk around the festival. A little bit of what's going on. Got kettle corn. This must be all the vendors. Might have to find that lemonade place. Try that lemonade out. But that's basically what we got going on with a bunch of vendors.
All right, what's your name? Where you from? All right, what kind of all these cars?
Okay, right here is the stage.
Good to see our friend Becky out there.
They're gonna have live
Thanks
music.
for coming. I'm sure we have some more. I see Shirley.
Several
Hey,
vendors here.
How are you doing? Hope everyone's
About
enjoying
anything you
today.
want. Oh, some ice cream. I gotta cut off this music. Will get us. There, one of the trophy winners.
He won down there. Turkey trot that year and drove off.
Yeah, live. Yeah, missed that. Of course, that was when we was regular. That's regular trophy over there. I'd hate to get off that belt in that rain like that.
Oh yeah, it was a truck or something. Ryan.
He watched the video, Jack. Driving the truck to school. like that old truck. Wish our black one was sitting up like that.
Hey, you know how it is when you own something while you just try something. Yeah. It ain't bad. Oh no, it looks good.
I mean, it ain't no old blue, but it's all right truck. I'm gonna run out of battery before it takes off. Comment when you're watching this video why it took you so long to take off. Why you ran me out of battery. We're 1 minute and 44 seconds watching you take off.
You had to put a seatbelt.
Yeah, I had to get the seatbelt ready. Safety first.
Justice mirrors.
That's right. Two dirt track cars leaving the show. All right, here we go. Pretty good show. Grady's headed out in the Bronco. Alan's headed out in the Mustang. There's a Mustang. Do what? But it's a pretty good show. Wasn't a whole lot going on, but anyway. Right here coming up November at Collinsville is the one we put on, the Turkey Trot. Come to it. But anyway, we had a good time. There's a couple more of the cars. Oh, buddy, excuse me here. Trying to talk over this thing. I hope everybody enjoyed it. 256 Garage out.